Welcome to Yatsina's channel. So the look you're going to see is the one I'm wearing right now. I got a few new products from my friend in England to test, and apparently they're all vegan, so I'm really excited about them. You'll see I used some products in a non-conventional way just to see what they can do, and I love how it turned out. So if you want to see how I did this look, stay tuned. Okay, so to start off, I took my Revolution Skincare London primer, and it's the fruity one, the Revitalizing Essence Spray. I'm going to just put that on my face. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up all the foundations and the concealers together because I want a dewy finish. So I'm starting with the concealer by e.l.f. And then I'm just adding on my foundation as well. It's all going on at the same time. This one is the Very Vegan foundation. And then I'm going to just take my blending brush and just blend that in. Starting with the bits that I don't need as much coverage, and then I went to the eye bits. That just highlights the eye section and blends everything together. Try to get the lighter bits where you need it, the coverage by the eyes, and then the rest will just blend together nicely. That way I don't have mismatched bits and pieces, and I don't have to go over it 50 times. Took me a bit longer because I don't have a beauty blender yet. Just make sure all the colors blend together. Especially under the eyes, go over that a few times. And don't forget the neck. Now that's the base and the face done. And then next I'm going to take my palette, and it's the Obsession Be Crazy palette. And what I did was for the first half of my lid, I used the color Icon, and that's like a pinky red shade. And I used a very stiff brush, so it's almost like a lipstick brush. And I just put that on the first half of my eyelid. Gives you a little control with that brush, and making sure not to go higher than the crease. That way you don't need to contour or do anything too much, because it'll automatically give you the definition you want. So I took that about halfway over my eye to the outside, working from the inside out. That's the start. And took the same brush, because I'm going to blend the two colors together. And for the outside, I took the color Champion, and that is a purpley shiny color. And then just work that to the other half of my eye. And into the crease as well. Do that to both eyes. And it's okay, the two colors can touch because we're going to blend them together. I like to put on 2 layers because I wanted it a bit brighter. Just repeat until you're happy with how much color you have on. I took the same brush and then just went straight down the middle where the two colors touch. And across the crease, and you see how that blends. Don't have to work too hard. And there you go. That's the first step to the eyes, all done. So then I took my favorite fluffy brush. It's 100 years old. I got it the color Ardor, which is like a matte orange color, and I just put that in the crease and go backwards and forwards so that all the colors blend nicely. And it'll also help to blend the two other colors together. And as usual, I like 2 layers of color. Just blend it nicely till you don't see any division of the colors anymore. Almost done for the eyes. Then I took my angle brush again, and I just took the purple color for underneath my eyes and just blended that in by that lower lash line. Gives your eyes a nice little shimmer. And I find that purple makes green eyes stand out a lot more. Just blend that in and make sure it touches the other colors as well. So then I took what's left of my eyeliner, my favorite Wet n Wild eyeliner, and I just put on 1 layer by the eyelashes. Nothing too crazy. Just color that on. I use this literally as if I was drawing with a normal pen. It's so amazing. Make sure you get it in where the lashes are so that there is no spots. That's all I'm going to do literally, so I made sure that one came on really nicely and was blended in. So I actually put on mascara off camera and then just took my little brush and made sure that there was no fallout and that under my eyes still looked good. And then I took the Makeup Obsession, the highlighter, and with just my regular blush brush, I put that on my cheeks first in a circular motion. And also a little bit down the center of my face, just to bronze me up a bit. It is a highlighter, but I use it as a blush. If you smile, you can find your cheekbones and just go over those a little bit and blend everything together. Nice and shiny and natural looking. Wherever the sun would hit, that's where you want to put it. So the final step is a little crazy. I used the CYO brightening pencil. It's probably for your eyes, but I wanted to try something. So I just drew that on my lips. I'm not going around the outside or anything, just the center. I wanted to lighten my lips a bit. Just blended that in with my finger. I know it looks crazy, but we have one more step. And I took the Obsession Makeup London Lip Effects, and it's just a lip topper, and it's the colour Paradox. And put that on. I wanted really shiny lips for this look. And with the highlighter underneath, it really stands out. I think I need about 2 layers. And gotta check the corners, small lips. And there you go. And that's the finished look. So that's the finished look, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, you can subscribe to my channel, and I will add some more videos with more life hack type makeup tutorials that are super easy to do, and also include vegan products. So thanks for watching and have a good day.